guys, what's up? So I'm here with AliExpress ISEE here today again. My second time working with this company. I love the wig that I got from them previously, but today we're here with this new package, and this is how everything looks once I open up the box. First thing I see is the hair. Then we got some lashes. Them lashes there, them look very fluffy and nice. I'm going to apply these for my makeup look today. This is some 3D mink hair eyelashes, okay? And yeah, so I always like to get the little lashes in the packages. Then I got a wig cap, and I don't recall if I get in this kind of color. It looks kind of caramel like, so I'm happy I got this color. And then we have this card, information card, you know, with their information in terms of like social media contact and stuff like that. For the hair today, we're working with some short hair. Sure, you see that 8 inches. Yes, this is some water wave hair. All right, so let's get to how this looks. We have a 13x4 lace, and this is how it looks. From what I can see, this is not tinted, so I'm definitely going to be tinting this today. This is a cap construction, pretty standard. 4 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back. Really nice curl pattern. Recently somebody said they miss seeing me in the curly wigs, the short curly wigs. So here we go. Definitely going to be plucking this. It came a little bit pre-plucked, but I don't know my style already. Man, for go in and do the most and really get it really nice and graduated. So let's just jump right on into that. So I went ahead, put it on. You guys saw that it came with a center part, but I'm gonna be doing a side part today. I just feel like for shorter lengths, I don't know, like a side part looks way better. I know I look crazy, like what is this? But it's all going to come together in a few. Trust me, this is curly hair, honey. Like a good curly hair can always be finessed. Like it always, most of the time it looked like this in the beginning. Trust me, that's exactly how I feel. But let's go ahead and just put this on. And yes, I applied a bit of foundation just to be safe so that we don't have a white cast. But I legit feel like this is a bomb wig. Summer is coming, and I'm not gonna lie, I live in the Caribbean currently and it's hot out here. It feels like we're deep in summer already. I have to switch up my look wholly, but if you're looking for comfort and style at the same time and to just be cool and all of that, get you a bomb short wig like this. Like, yeah. As a matter of fact, I have another short look. Like, let me not even go into that. But guess what? For sure, yes, you can go ahead and check out my Instagram for this makeup look. Okay. I was definitely in the mood to do something dramatic, and that's what I did. So okay, this is the hair dry. All right, you guys saw it before, you know, while I was installing it and everything. Right now I'm gonna get it wet. And you guys know, if you've been watching me for a long time, you know that having a nice curly wet look is like my favorite thing. So I'm gonna be doing the flip over and we're gonna get this wet. So all I'm gonna be using is my spray bottle filled with water. Water alone is in here right now, and my hoops. And let me put in, I'm gonna apply the mousse first. This is just, you know, cream of nature mousse. No specific reason why I got this one, by the way. Cause I can't see you anywhere. Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go, no, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you. That's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really love how everything came out, how it came together. I told you it would come together. That's how curly wigs or curly textures are. Having a length wig like this is just so easy to maintain, to be in the heat and such, you know. Can be miserable to just like wear long hair. So I mean, I feel like this wig is it for the summertime, you know, to get cute but still comfortable. So I'm gonna drop all the information down below on this wig, and you guys can go ahead and check it out. Yes, yeah, that's pretty much it. I see here, big up on yourself, because this is really nice. As you guys can see, I didn't even do a parting. As I mentioned before, I just did a flip over thing. And you can check out the look, as I mentioned before, on my Instagram. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Until then, big up on yourself, and also stay tuned to my vlog channel. So that's it for today. Bye.